Welcome back, everybody!
Welcome back. Hey, I am really excited. I think we're both excited. He doesn't know what's going on. I'm really excited because we've got our truck scheduled for our lift, new tires, and new wheels. So before we do that, let's get some measurements so we have some before and after. Alright, for our first measurement, we're going to measure from the ground up to the wheel well. What does that say, buddy? What are those numbers? 3, 6. So exactly 3 feet from the ground to the bottom of the front wheel well. Alright. For our next measurement, we're going to measure to the top of the bumper. That is what? Alright, so about 27 inches to the top of the bumper in the front. We've got 3 feet to the top of the wheel well. Let's see what we got to the top of the wheel well back here, bud. Alright, let's see. Alright. 3 and 8, that's 38. Alright, so 38 inches to the bottom of the wheel well in the back, 36 inches to the bottom of the wheel well in the front, and that is with our stock 17-inch wheels. Alright, and now for our most important measurement, how high is the floor of the back seat where Jack has to climb in the truck? Stand up straight up, we're going to look at the rest of the truck. Alright, so right now we're at the waist, measure with the tape, and come down. Step over here. There we go. Alright, what is this? What do we have? 2 and 3, about 2 and 3, 23 inches. Alright, we got about 23 inches. So we got about 23 inches to the 23 inches for Jack to climb to get into the truck at this point. So after we get the wheels, the tires, and the lift done, we'll take a look and see where that is.
What's a lift?
What's the lift? So what we're going to do this lift is we're going to come up here, I'll show you. Close the door. So, you see this piece right here? Right? That's called an upper control. And behind that, you see the spring? Right? And inside that spring, there's a shock. What we're going to do is we're going to put a new upper control arm in here, and we're going to put some spacers at the top of the shock and the bottom of the shock, and it's going to raise the truck up 3.5 inches in the front. So right now, yeah.
It's that early morning Clearwater traffic on Gulf to Bay. Getting ready to pull into S&M Truck World to get our lift, wheels, and tires done. Mr. Jeep was very happy about me wanting to turn also, but that's okay. Here we go.
He's Jack.
He's Saav.
We just got back from S&M Truck World where we got a lift, we got wheels, and we got tires. These guys knocked it out of the park. She is looking all kinds of right. I chose to have it level, so I actually traded the blocks that came with that lift with the with S&M Truck World. They gave me some smaller blocks, so we got this truck out nice and level and looking right. We got the fuel off-road sledge. These things are looking so sweet. I love the milled accents on there. And we wrapped them up with some Nitto 295 55 R20, the Nitto Ridge Grappler. All right, let's get some measurements. All right, climb down. All right, let's see what our measurement is in the front now. All right, what does that say? 40. So we are 40 inches from the ground to the bottom of the wheel well on the front. All right, let's get the back.
Yeah, let's get the back. All right, Saav, it's your turn. I have to do this on my own, okay?
Okay. All right, let's see what we got on the back.
Oh, yeah.
Climb down.
Ouch.
Ouch, yep. All right, what do we got here? What does that say?
04.
What?
0.
Now for our most important measurement, how high is it on Jack? If you remember, before we got the lift, this area here was coming right in. Stand up straight. Stand up straight.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yes, you are. All right. So before we got the lift, this area right here was kind of down here for him, which is a little bit easier for
1, 2,
him.
3, 4,
And if you look now, it's up,
7.
yeah, pretty much close to the top of his stomach. So let's see how high that is. All right. So we're looking at what? About 24, 26 inches there.